Everyone, this is Aditya Dhadvedi going to tell you about the description of universe, its formation, its extent and the fate of the whole universe. So let's start from universe. Universe is all of time and space and its content. It includes planets, stars, galaxies, nebula, pulsars and all intergalactic objects. The real size of the whole universe is yet unknown, but we have observed our universe, that is observable universe, is 28 billion parsecs. But after hearing the term universe, you will wonder how our universe has formed. So I will explain it to you by the very famous theory, that is Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory is the leading explanation about how the universe began. Big Bang wasn't an explosion, it is an inflation that occurs over time and still it is going on. It is believed universe started 13.8 billion years ago. At first, that is the beginning of time. The whole universe was in a dot. It is infinity times form of the universe. Slowly cosmic inflation occurred at the speed of more than light, and dark energy was responsible for this. And dark energy is what? Nobody knows. And inflation was expansion of space itself. During first second after the Big Bang, universe was totally hot and opaque, and it was filled with electrons, protons, neutrons, photons and neutrinos. Soon after 3 minutes, these proton neutrons started fusing each other, which result in formation of deuterium, and it converted into helium. This is known as Big Bang nucleosynthesis. After about 380,000 years of Big Bang, the universe became transparent during the age of recombination because of electrically neutral atom formed by snatching of hydrogen and helium ions with electrons, but still the whole universe was in dark, known as dark ages. After 1 billion years of Big Bang, the universe expanded and cooled so much as it became dilute. In this period, first stars and galaxies came into existence. I will explain you theory of cosmic inflation that occurred at very first time of the Big Bang by a balloon and a ruler with 3 points that are A, B and C. So let's assume this balloon as a singularity and these 3 points as matter which will further form galaxies. As we all know that universe start expanding like this. Now the distance between these points increased. The table you will see is. Now you will observe distance from this point increased. We came to know that dark energy is the cause of acceleration in the expansion of universe. So question arises, what is dark energy? For the answer, we need to go in the past of 1990s. A team of astrophysicists assumed that the attractive force of gravity would slow down the expansion of universe. But they were wrong. There is kind of repulsive force formed by quantum fluctuations which is accelerating the expansion of the universe. That is known as dark energy. But the question is that, what is fate of our universe? Many scientists have predicted many theories. Some of the best theories related to the fate of our universe are: it is the theory in which everything's temperature would go down to absolute zero. One time would come when star formation will be exhausted and black hole will dominate the universe, and eventually they will also disappear from the universe. In this theory, the density of dark energy would increase so much that result all objects will disintegrate into unbound elementary particles. The end state of the universe would be a singularity. This theory is symmetric view of ultimate fate of the universe. This theory assumes that whole universe has enough density to stop its expansion and start contracting. A simple estimation is that all objects and space-time would collapse into dimensionless singularity. The cycle of Big Bang would start, and this cyclic model of Big Bang and Big Crunch is known as oscillatory universe. Once again, our ever-expanding universe will collapse like this.